Hey, what's going on, City Slickers? This car literally, the van, took me like two and a half hours. The Prius, Nogas, literally took me 10 minutes. Look at it. I'm already out. I just used my feet a little, and that was it. So no gas is ready to go, but I'm not gonna move it. Oh, I love this. Look at this Hummer. That's nice. That's nice. I like that. Little monster. So yeah, no gas took me 10 minutes. Kit took me a while, the van, because they had it jammed up under the spoilers. This was, wow, piece of cake. All right, I'm starving, I'm tired, I'm wet. My nose is running. I don't feel good, I'm not in the mood, but I promised y'all those two videos. I wanted to put the drone up. I wanted to put the drone up too. Let's see if I can put it up, but it's pretty windy, so I'm not gonna put it up if it's windy like this. So if it calms down, I'll send the drone up just to get a little view of the area. All right, guys. Sorry I haven't been vlogging in a few days. I've been sick. I don't feel good. Yeah. I came out the house today. I haven't been out the house in a few days. I know I had to clean the cars or it's just going to get worse. I didn't want this to turn into solid ice. Then I'll be messed up. So, all right. So this is done. The van is done. Let me get upstairs. I'll get back with you guys in a little while. Peace. Shazam!